The Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic is widely regarded as one of the most extraordinary and valuable automobiles ever created, not just because of its rarity, but because it represents a perfect intersection of engineering brilliance, artistic design, and historical significance. Built in the late 1930s by the legendary French manufacturer Bugatti, this car was far ahead of its time, blending aerodynamic innovation with a level of craftsmanship that still feels unmatched today. To understand why the Atlantic is so special, you have to look at the mind behind it. The car was designed by Jean Bugatti, the son of Bugatti founder Ettore Bugatti. Jean wasn't just continuing his father's legacy, he was redefining it. At a time when most cars were still boxy and utilitarian, Jean envisioned something futuristic, sleek, and almost sculptural. The Atlantic became his masterpiece, a car that looked like it belonged decades ahead of its era. The design of the Type 57 SC Atlantic is instantly recognizable. Its long hood, teardrop-shaped body, and dramatically curved fenders create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. One of its most iconic features is the prominent dorsal seam that runs along the center of the car from front to back. This ridge wasn't just for style, it was originally a functional necessity. Early prototypes were made from a magnesium alloy called electron, which was extremely lightweight but highly flammable, meaning it couldn't be welded. Instead, the body panels had to be riveted together, and the seam became a defining visual element that carried over into the production versions. Only 4 Atlantic models were ever built, making it one of the rarest cars in existence. Each one had its own unique story, and over time, these cars became legends in the collector world. Today, surviving examples are worth tens of millions of dollars, with some estimates placing their value well above $100 million. This makes the Atlantic not just a car, but a rolling piece of art and history. Underneath its elegant exterior, the Type 57 SC Atlantic was also a serious performance machine. The SC designation stands for Surbass, lowered, and Compressor, supercharged. This meant the car had a lowered chassis for better handling and a supercharged 3.3-liter inline-8 engine that delivered impressive power for its time. With a top speed approaching 120 miles per hour, it was one of the fastest road cars of the 1930s. This combination of speed and beauty made it a true grand tourer, capable of crossing countries in style and comfort. The Atlantic's engineering was just as advanced as its design. The chassis was carefully refined to improve stability at high speeds, while the suspension system provided a surprisingly smooth ride. Every detail, from the placement of the engine to the distribution of weight, was meticulously considered. This wasn't just about building a fast car. It was about creating a complete driving experience that balanced performance, luxury, and control. Inside the cabin, the craftsmanship was equally remarkable. The interior featured high-quality leather, polished metal accents, and a level of detail that reflected Bugatti's philosophy of combining art with engineering. Unlike modern cars filled with screens and electronics, the Atlantic's interior was simple yet elegant. focusing on the essentials while still delivering a sense of luxury. Every element was handcrafted, making each car unique. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Atlantic is its connection to history. These cars were built during a time of great change in Europe, just before World War II. As a result, their production was extremely limited, and their survival over the decades adds to their mystique. One of the original Atlantics, often referred to as La Voiture Noire, disappeared during the war and has never been found, adding an element of mystery that continues to captivate enthusiasts and historians alike. The legacy of the Type 57SC Atlantic extends far beyond its own era. It has influenced generations of car designers and continues to be a benchmark for what a luxury sports car can do. Modern Bugatti models, while vastly more powerful and technologically advanced, still carry echoes of the Atlantic's design philosophy. The emphasis on beauty, performance, and exclusivity can all be traced back to this iconic model. What makes the Atlantic truly unique is how it blurs the line between machine and art. Most cars are designed with function as the primary goal, with aesthetics coming second. The Atlantic flips that idea, proving that a car can be both a high-performance vehicle and a work of art. Its flowing lines, dramatic proportions, and attention to detail make it as captivating in a museum as it is on the road. Collectors and enthusiasts often describe the Atlantic as the ultimate expression of automotive passion. Owning one isn't just about having a rare car. It's about possessing a piece of history that represents the pinnacle of design and engineering from a golden age of automobiles. Each Atlantic tells a story, not just of its creation, but of the people who have owned it, driven it, and preserved it over the decades. Even today, nearly a century after it was first introduced, the Bugatti Type 57SC Atlantic continues to inspire awe. It's a reminder of what can be achieved when creativity, craftsmanship, and innovation come together without compromise. In a world where cars are increasingly standardized and technology-driven, the Atlantic stands as a symbol of individuality and artistic expression. The enduring appeal of this car lies in its ability to connect with people on multiple levels. For engineers, it represents a breakthrough in performance and design. For artists, it's a masterpiece of form and proportion. And for enthusiasts, it's simply one of the most beautiful cars ever made. That combination is incredibly rare, and it's what makes the Atlantic so special. In the end, the Bugatti Type 57SC Atlantic isn't just a car, it's a legend. It captures a moment in time when the automotive world was driven by bold ideas and fearless creativity. It shows what's possible when designers and engineers push beyond the limits of convention to create something truly extraordinary. And that's why, even after all these years, it remains one of the most iconic and revered vehicles in automotive history.